Hey hippies, it's your girl Courtney Shavante here. Welcome back to my page. If you're new here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss anything I do put out for you guys moving forward. Today we're doing something pretty special for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you how I pack up one of my mystery boxes. So this particular mystery box is for Miss Candace. She ordered 3 of the small boxes and the 3 different things that I have. So what I did was I went ahead and created that into a large themed box, so that way, you know, get more bang for a buck and everything, of course, and make it really pretty. So I start out by putting the tissue paper, you know, at the bottom of my box, and I folded my box off camera, but it's super simple to do. This is one of the tattoo sheets and everything that I've used in one of my videos. This is the foil mix. I have some different foils in here, just kind of correlating with the themes and everything that I do have, and also just some other cool stuff thrown in there too. I'm just going to pack that onto the bottom. Next, this is the glitter mix that I made. I'm going to just pack some of these in here. This one is that purplish color. The first one was a bluish color. This one is just some iridescent glitter, some flakes. This one is some silver glitter, really pretty, easy to mix in with some other colors or use it by itself. We also have some purple star glitter, which is really cute, really fun to play with, create some variety. This right here is a glowy metallic powder. It is a mica powder. This is another gold colored glitter mix right here. This right here are some blue sequins. We also have some fine red glitter in a tiny little thing, but it holds a lot of that fine glitter. Some crushed glass in an iridescent finish. This is some gold wheat colored sequins and everything, easy to put into your resin pieces and your other artwork. This right here is just some orange fine glitter, sort of like that red. Easy to mix in with some other stuff or use it by itself. This right here is just a red color that I have mixed up. This is a bluish teal color that I have. This one right here are some rhinestones I have in some assorted, you know, shapes and everything. Just some different stuff to decorate your resin with. A pink mixed glitter right here. I make sure I provide a lot of variety in here so that way you can make sure that you're able to make so many different things. These are some Abalone Seashells. You can't really see them that well here. You may need to, you know, kind of zoom in a bit on your screen, but beautiful, beautiful. These are some rose petals. Screw this for you right quick. Just some dried rose petals, easy to make a nice little rose bath, milk bath type themed resin. These are some beads, which I love adding on to my different resin pieces. They're great for roach clips, and they are great for, you know, just making necklaces, beads, bracelets, all that good stuff. This right here, these are some blue cornflowers. They're dried and they're absolutely beautiful. I am using them in an upcoming tutorial, so make sure you look out for that. These are some hanging charms. They are in assorted, you know, types and everything. There's some bling ones in there. There's some enamel ones in there. Just lots of different types for you to work with and everything in different finishes as well. This is just some colorful rainbow gold foil. This right here is some beautiful amethyst. It's unfinished and it's untumbled. things like that do have to be cleaned first. This is some lapis lazuli that is tumbled and it does not have to be cleaned first. So yeah, I mixed it up for you guys. This is some rose quartz, also tumbled. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Love how they look in the finished product and the pieces. This is some turquoise. Look at those colors within that. It's just really gorgeous. And I love how they look. Has some pink chrome powder. That's going to be gorgeous. You can add that directly onto your mold and then pour your resin right on top. This is some pearl gold link chain. It's absolutely stunning in the finished pieces and everything. I love using them in my rims just to add a nice little touch. These are some silver pearls. We also have some iridescent pearls right here. Wait, I'm sorry, I think those are some white pearls. These are some pink pearls right here. And here are the iridescent pearls. So yeah, those are the iridescent ones right there. But of course, there is more. So this is just like a little fun pack of different stuff. This has the LED lights. It also has some stuff to make some phone grips with and everything. It also has a bunch of different little jewelry findings so that we can make a bunch of different things like wall hangings, keychains, just like, you know, connect chain, a whole bunch of different stuff, hair clips. I get like, you know, a lot of different things in there. These are some rhinestone chains that I have here in gold and silver, packing these in there beautifully. Yes, I love how those look. They look so beautiful in the rims. These are some dried lemon wheels. I haven't worked with those in any videos yet, but I will be coming up. These are just some cute little add-ins to toss into your resin to further decorate it with. These are some half pearl beads in a mermaid unicorn type finish, sort of cotton candy like if you ask me. But yeah, I thought they were super cute, so I went ahead and added these in there for her. This is another little pack that has some metallic feathers in here, which are really gorgeous and look amazing. These are some different tattoo packs that I added in here for her to work with. And we also have, you know, the metallic feathers I was telling you about. And I added in here some skeleton. Oh, hold on. I have some charms in here. These are some zodiac hanging charms. Those are really cute. They're white with a gold enamel finish and everything beautiful. These are some of the 3D resin charms that she got included within her package. I know everyone looks forward to these, and these are the different styles that she has. I told you when you get the mystery boxes, you get styles that I do not have released onto the actual page. And these right here are just some skeleton leaves. These are very beautiful, nice little add-ins if you want to add some leaves and some foliage without, you know, doing too much and having it overkill. So I really love how those look in my floral pieces and everything. So make sure you check it out. You know, as you can see, there's a lot of great stuff inside these mystery boxes and everything. You're totally missing out if you are not shopping with Courtney Shavante. Okay, you definitely need to be shopping with Courtney Shavante. You see what I'm doing, the tutorials. You know this stuff is expensive to go get it all one off. Come get it from me. We have some gold crowns right here. We also have some beautiful little snowflakes to add in. We have some little butterflies right here. These are gorgeous with some beautiful prints. They're so realistic looking. We have some cellophane that you can use as background, or you can shred it up to do other things with. Very versatile. These are some metallic butterflies right here. Super gorgeous. Love adding some layering. And these are just some little flower packs that I hand created myself and everything, just to, you know, further decorate and add that bougie hippie touch and everything to your resin. So these are absolutely beautiful. Like, you know, I love adding flowers. I add flowers into just about everything that I make on this page. So of course, pretty much every box that I send out is going to have some flowers in there for you. Even if you don't get the garden pack, you'll definitely get some flowers. After I get all that packed up in there, I'm just going to go ahead and fold down this tissue paper, get tucked in there, you know, like you're tucking your kid in bed at night. Mwah! Kisses. Don't remind me, y'all. Y'all know I be on a cloud. But from here, I just go ahead and add in some of her freebies in the freebie pack. I added in some extra little foam grippy pieces, some pipettes as well, just to add some, you know, bam to your pieces, just some tools. Here's a business card. If you'd like to get some business cards made, I have a link below for Vistaprint with a discount. This card right here, I personalize each one that I do send out from my Etsy shop. I just wrote Miss Candace's name on here, and Miss Candace, I thank you so much for placing this order with me and trusting me to deliver you high quality crafting supplies for your resin art and whatever it is that you do decide to create. Here's some candy for your sweet tooth, because, you know, like I said, if you like me, you like a little snacky snack while you're working, because you know how it is. The munchies be kicking. So I just place that right on top, and I just make sure that everything is tucked in like I said. And then from there, I just go ahead and close the box on up and get that closed in and tightly and everything. Make sure nothing is sticking out and everything is placed well. Wipe anything off that may be on that box. Now, I'm not going to show you guys me printing out the label because I do want to protect her sensitive information, but I am going to show you guys what I do with the rest of the box. So I make sure that USPS knows that these items are very fragile, you know, you care about them, and we want to make sure that they are protected. So I put one on the front, and I also put one on the side, so that way we can be sure that they know that, you know, we got to take care of this little boxy box, okay? Okay. From here, I just go ahead and put my foiled label and branding sticker, so that way everyone knows where you got your beautiful artwork from and how they can order from me as well. And then right here is just a cute little hollow sticker that I put right here at the base, sort of like a tamper evident type thing, so that way you know if this box was opened or anything like that. And then from here, you know, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to tape it up. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll catch you next time. XO.